This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. I use him quite a lot to record like some B-roll and a lot of YouTube shots. And in today's video, I'm going to be making some minor upgrades to this drone. And these are the stock propellers that come with the drone. When you do buy the drone, you get this box that has this QR code that I scanned, and it doesn't seem to be doing anything, by the way. Inside this box, you do get some spare propellers, 2 in here and 2 in there. So just 4 single propellers, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro has 8, so it's not enough. And I went on Amazon and bought these propellers for the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. So these are the ones that I'm going to be putting on the drone. As you can see, these existing ones here, you know, they're quite old. There's this screwdriver that comes in the box, and we'll open this up. Now it's interesting when changing the propellers for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. You notice, for example, on this back side, this right hand side, you can see it has a dented mark, but this left hand side has no dented mark. I want to open this guy up, so anti-clockwise to remove it. Remove the screw and put it somewhere there. Go to the next one. If you're doing this for the first time, these screws are going to feel a little bit hard since they will have Loctite. And then we'll lift off the propellers. You can see this propeller is from the side that has the dent. So when we go on our Amazon propellers that we bought here, it's actually in 2 sets. So I believe one set has a dent, the other set doesn't. So you see this one has a dent, and this one too has a dent. So these are all the dented propellers that are in here. Okay, that one went in. Okay, this one went in as well. With this set I bought from Amazon, we also get a small screwdriver and some new screws that can be used to put on the new propellers on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This side is now done. We'll also now go to the next dented side that has the imprint right here, which is this side here. So I'm going to undo these and put on some new propellers as well. These 2 sides are done. You can see this side the propellers are new, these ones are old and used up, this one is new, and these ones are old and used up. So next I'm going to change the set that's just plain, that doesn't have the dented imprint. You can see this side here, there's no imprint there, and these are the next ones that I'm about to change. This side is done. You can see how the new ones look now. Next, I'm gonna do this front side. Okay, so just like that, we now have all 4 wings with brand new propellers. You can see here how they look. So this one, when you're looking at the drone from this way, you can see this one has imprints or indented prints here, and same with this one. These 2 have the same imprints. So if I bring the drone closer, you can see what I'm talking about. You see these lines here, and then if you look at the back of the drone too, on this left back section, you can see we have imprints right there. And then if you go to the front, this one is just plain and straight, and then this one too is plain and straight. So we've changed everything to new, and now let's just try and start the drone up and see if it starts up and if everything is all good. This guy is turning on. We'll turn on the drone. Okay, so we are connected. The drone is seeing my laptop screen. You can see as I change this, my screen too is changing. So for now, we just do like a quick propeller start by pushing both joysticks inwards like this. So let's do that and see whether they spin properly. Okay, so it started and it's pretty silent, so I'm gonna take it in the back and try and fly up and down and see if it's stable with these new propellers that we've just installed. Okay, so that's a wrap. Just a quick guide for you if you are looking forward to replacing your propellers on the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. So the first thing you have to do is to fill the propellers here. You can see these ones are plain, they don't have an imprint, and I believe the other one that's plain that doesn't have an imprint is this bottom one here. So this one and this one take the same type, and then these ones you can see they have a dent here that you can feel. So these ones that you see here and this one are the same. They take the same propellers that have a dent or an imprint, as you can see there. So that's about it for me. Hopefully, if you're looking forward to changing your propellers, this video was able to help. So stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.